That is the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, and definitely the prettiest. Good morning everyone, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in Agra, India, and I'm here with Samid, and today we're gonna go see the Agra Fort, we're gonna see some gardens. What else we're gonna do? A Baby Taj?
Baby Taj and Agra Fort.
Okay.
The palace of the royal family.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Maybe I don't eat too much today.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought there was more monkeys and I only saw a few in Delhi. I didn't see that much.
Now we are entering to the Baby Taj. The real name of the building is Itmat-ud-Dawla. This is the finest architecture, similar like the Taj Mahal, but it was built earlier than the Taj Mahal. We believe that they got idea to make the Taj Mahal from this building that time.
I had no idea that this place even existed. I guess they don't promote it.
India, most of the buildings you can see, it was built by an empress actually, like Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Red Fort, but this is the building which was built by an empress. That is a big deal during that timing actually. Baby Taj was built by the 4th Mughal empress wife. Her name was Noor Jahan. The construction of this building was begun in 1622 and was completed in 1628. It was built by an empress when her father passed away. His name was Itmat-ud-Dawla. You can see the main entry to the building, just we have one actually, and rest of the gates which you can see there, these all are just to balance it from all the side actually. This is one of the main thing about the Mughal architecture. They balance the building from front to back and from left to right also.
Okay, so basically those gates have no purpose except to give balance to the complex. This is beautiful. Look at this.
These are the writing of the Quran in Arabian language. Start from the right and to the left. Here you can see even the flooring is decorated over here, and the roof also over here. But the thing is, in the Taj Mahal, the roof and flooring hasn't been decorated actually. So this building is more intricate from outside and inside as well compared to the Taj Mahal. The person who is buried there, you can see on your left hand side, his name is Itmat-ud-Dawla, to whom her daughter, she built this building, and next to him exactly in the center, her mother, she is buried here, and rest of the family members next to them. Yes, according to the Hinduism, we have the 3 main rivers we call Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Okay, all these 3 rivers are the sacred rivers for the Hindu people in India. So this is one of the sister. The Yamuna we have in Agra and we have in Delhi as well. Like the Taj Mahal in Agra, it is located on right hand banks of the Taj Mahal and the Baby Taj as well. From here, and then when the water is going to fill up, then that water channel start moving, and this water channel starts moving from this way.
So we saw the Baby Taj. This is an incredible building, and most people that come to see the Taj Mahal never come here because they either come really fast for the day.
Yeah, you are right actually. When they visit this for same day trip, so they don't have enough time because it takes around 4 hours for them to come from Delhi, and then they go back. It takes 4 hours again for them.
Exactly.
Yeah. So roughly we have idea 20% tourists they visit this building as well.
And where are we going next?
Now we are heading to the Mehtab Bagh.
Mehtab Bagh?
Mehtab Bagh.
And what's Mehtab Bagh?
Mehtab Bagh is the place from where we have beautiful view of Taj Mahal actually.
Okay.
We call full moon garden as well.
So it's a garden?
Yeah, that's a garden with the view of Taj Mahal.
That's where the emperor used to hang out sunset. That's what they told me.
Yeah, actually that is the place where the emperor is supposed to make one more Taj Mahal.
Okay.
Yes, that is the place, and it is located next to the Yamuna river.
Let's go. I'm excited.
This is the village of Agra. The name of the village is Kachpura.
So 200 rupee to enter?
Yeah, 200.
Okay, 200 rupee.
This place is known as the Mehtab Bagh. Actually, this place was built by the Mughal Emperor Humayun. Humayun was the 2nd Mughal ruler who came to India. So during that time, they were using this garden to spend their time during the evening timing. Taj Mahal construction was going on. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, he did the restoration over here, from where he could sit and can see the construction of the Taj Mahal. And this is the same place where he's supposed to bury himself, and he's supposed to make one more Taj Mahal. But at the time the construction was begun, he was imprisoned by his son. So that's why only the foundation is left here. And this is now a place very famous for the sunrise and sunset view of the Taj Mahal as well.
Here we have the foundations to the 2nd Taj Mahal. The emperor was going to build the 2nd one right across the river. This one's going to be black. As you can see, this is part of the best view of the Taj Mahal. I actually like it better than the inside. Obviously being over there is, you know, a must, but this is Beautiful.
Yes, we are heading to the Agra Fort now.
So Agra Fort is the place where the royal family used to live, and this is where the emperor who built Taj Mahal died. He was imprisoned by his son, and that's where he spent his last days. This is the fort?
This is the fort.
It's huge.
It is 2.5 kilometers diameter.
We've entered Agra Fort. This
Yeah.
is where the emperor used to live with his family.
Yeah, actually this is the fort where the empress is not going to live alone. Here he used to live with his family members, some relatives and the private soldiers. Here you can see the security was very important for them. That's why they cannot live alone. Like you can see the example over there, that is the watchtower where the soldiers are going to stand and keep watching outside. So whoever is going to attack to the fort, so they can get them ready. It was built between 1565 to 1573. It took 8 years to complete it. The area of the fort is 2.5 kilometers, and that time the cost of the fort was 30 million rupees.
Everything here looks amazing.
It is.
It's
Like here, as I told
wow.
you, that we had drawbridge over there for the security reason, so they can protect themselves. And the second thing which you can notice here is we don't have steps to go up to the fort. Actually, we have sloping over here. Why we have the sloping here? Like in case if somebody is going to attack to the fort, so they can make it slippery easily. So they used to put the oil here. You can see the spaces in the wall on left hand side and right hand side. If the oil is not enough, then they are going to fire them with the bow and arrow actually.
Wow.
Again, this is for the security reason.
So there's 3 gates. First gate, second gate, third gate.
This is the palace of the Jahangir. It was built by his father Akbar. So you can see there, that is the bathtub. Bathtub, he used to take bath. Now it is kept in front of the people, but during the time of the Mughal Empire, it was kept inside there. So he's not going to take bath in front of the people altogether actually.
I didn't expect him to be taking a shower outside in front of everybody. But I guess I just did it so you can see it here,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely, because the British lived here in this fort for 90 years. That time on the roof we had a real golden painting up there, if you can see there actually. Something has been left. Most of things has been naturally destroyed. We saw there, that was the palace of the Jahangir actually. So I explained you about the open courtyard over here. That is the place where that time they had a group of ladies dance we called Mujra. Like 15 to 20 girls are there, they are singing and dancing together. That was kind of competition actually. So during that time we have according to the Islam, the royal family ladies, they cannot come in front of the normal people without covering their face. So that time we had a parda system. Parda system means they have to cover their face. So to enjoy this activity, we have the small arches over there, and that time they had the glasses in the arch from where they could see, but the people could not see them actually. And up there, open places is there, kind of thrown there.
Right here we have the drainage system. You can see the water would come down here, go into here, and then from here it will go out to the moat, and the moat connects to the river.
Then this is the Jodha Palace, because the summer and winter palace of the Jodha here. Yes.
Very confusing. They have like 4 palaces within 1 palace.
No, different palaces.
But for me,
each other.
yeah, because they're all connected. Okay, okay.
Yes. So at the same time, it's not like only the single emperor or empress is living here. So rest of the emperors and emperors used to live here as well actually. Here you can see this is the main attraction of the fort here. This is the place where the son kept his father in prison for last 8 years. So when he was about to die, he requested his son, please bury myself next to my wife. Then his son let him bury next to his wife there actually.
In the Taj Mahal.
In the Taj Mahal actually. So when he was imprisoned, his daughters Jahanara and the Rosanara used to take care of him. Here you can see that this is the place, this is the house arrest. This is not a normal jail for a normal imprisoner actually. House arrest means he is free to move in the fort. The same white marble you can see here, the same white marble was there in the Taj Mahal. So this is Anguri Bagh. Anguri Bagh means the grapes garden. So we believe that they used to make wine with the grapes. So most of the Mughal Dynasty, they were the Muslim. We believe that according to the Islam, liquor is haram for them. But one of the ruler was there. His name is Jahangir, the 4th Mughal Empire. He believed that the wine doesn't harm him. So this is one of the evidence which shows that they used to consume wine as well. The name of this place is Diwan-e-Aam. Diwan-e-Aam means the place of hall of audience actually. So that time for justice, they used to create a meeting twice in a week actually. So whoever is looking for the justice, they can come in front of the king and the king will give them the solution. So according to their designation, they are going to sit there, up there between the pillars, the king on ground floor, the place where we have the table, the place for the prime minister, and rest of the designation on the floor over there, and the normal audience over there. And one by one, they are going to send them for the justice here.
This is the most amazing courthouse I've ever seen.
Yes, that was well organized.
It's like, wow, this is impressive. That was Agra Fort. It really was one of the most beautiful and incredible fortresses I've ever seen. I mean, I've seen some incredible stuff in Europe, but this was out of this world, and just the red sandstones, it just makes it look so beautiful. And you have some views of the Taj Mahal. And yeah, so now we're headed to have lunch. And at lunch, we're gonna try the most famous dessert in India. It's called peta, and that is only found here. It's called peta?
Peta, yes, peta.
Peta. Whoa. This is called Master Chef Restaurant, one of the best restaurants in Agra. I'm getting like a mushroom dish and I'm getting the peta. I'm gonna have also some curd so I can like coat my stomach a little bit because I've been eating too much street food lately and I got sick yesterday, so I'm trying to get better before I eat any more street food because you know, it's still I think 2 weeks of the trip and I'm gonna eat a lot more street food for sure. Here we have it. It's a vegetarian dish. It's basically mushrooms with peas, green peas, potatoes, onions. And this is naan bread made out of chickpeas. Oh wow, that's incredible. Green peas and mushrooms, okay, it's fantastic, I love it. And this is naan, but made with chickpeas. Misiro. Oh, it's amazing. Delicious. I love that it's vegetarian, so I'm gonna do it the way they do it, right? You put it all on. Oh man. And right here we have the curd. They said this would be really good for my stomach. It's nice, but I don't like the smell. Here we go.
Please go ahead.
Peta. Oh my god, it's hard. It's like hard as a rock. Very sweet.
It is.
A lot of sugar here, no? Delicious. It's a very, very sweet dish. Really sweet. I mean, it's like rock hard, then it's chewy inside. Pretty good. Take care. Oh, thank you. This is awesome. We did it, man. Great day. Hey, so we saw Baby Taj, the gardens, we saw Agra Fort, and we actually tried peta. Finally, I was hearing about this for years. Peta. Guys, I hope you loved this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below if you want to come see the Taj Mahal or come to Agra or India, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. See you in Lucknow.